I found love letter. Tell the world I finally got it all right.
Marriage means that you're actively, consciously, willfully choosing this single individual other human and adopting them as a lifelong partner for whatever the future might include. Do you promise to be there to support Anita and Rob through good times and through hard times?
We do!
So there's beer and there's cider, and they're gonna mix them together, which I understand is called a crown float. It's called a crown float. And they're gonna each take a sip of the crown float. And they've already boxed up new bottles for next July. And every year on their anniversary, they're going to repeat this ritual, revisiting the vows they're making today. How is it?
Tasty.
Tasty!